This is gingerbread coffee cake. If you love coffee cake, you're gonna love this version of the coffee cake. It is so good and it's just perfect for this nice fall season. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make it. First, you will need to make your streusel topping. This is all-purpose flour, light brown sugar, cinnamon, ginger, and salt. Whisk these ingredients together, then add melted butter, and make sure your butter has cooled down completely before mixing it in, and use a fork to mix these ingredients together. It should be very crumbly once you're done. Now go ahead and place this into the refrigerator, and we're gonna let it get cold. This will help the streusel to hold its shape as it bakes. Measure out some all-purpose flour. To this, you will add baking powder, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. You're going to give this a nice mix, and you're going to set this aside. You will need to cream together your sugar and butter. And when you make this, make sure your butter is room temperature so it'll mix easily. Okay. You can use a hand mixer, and you would want to do this on medium speed for about 2 to maybe 3 minutes, and you want the mixture to be light and fluffy. Now you can add your eggs. When I do mine, I like to do it one at a time, but you know, it really doesn't matter. Just get those eggs in there, and you want to make sure it's mixed together really good. Now you want to add pure vanilla extract and molasses. Okay, and we want to get this nicely mixed in. Those molasses are going to add some nice color to the coffee cake, and it also will add moisture. Okay, so don't skimp on the molasses. Now you will alternate adding your dry ingredients and buttermilk to the wet ingredients. And for each addition, we want to mix until it is just combined. The goal here is to not overmix. Add the remaining dry ingredients, then add the remaining buttermilk. Pour this into a greased baking pan. I used a 9x9-inch baking pan. Your batter will be probably very thick. Just spread it out evenly. Add your streusel on top. Bake this in a preheated 350-degree oven for 50 to 55 minutes. This is how mine looked after it came out. Actually, I had let my coffee cake cool off for about an hour before I cut into it. This fall coffee cake was absolutely amazing. I hope that you will try it, and I'm pretty sure you will really like this recipe. So if you enjoyed this video, please do me a really big favor and click the like button, and I hope to catch you in my next one.